Hey, it's Nikki here, and I'm doing a quick review of James and Max's DFY super affiliate. Where making money online isn't just a dream, it's a fully automated, done-for-you reality. Let's take a look at a demo video together, and I'll be back after to tell you what I like about it.
Introducing DFY Super Affiliate 2, the ultimate solution for aspiring marketers looking to supercharge their affiliate income. With this powerful system, you'll gain access to high-converting funnels and pre-written emails designed to attract leads. Imagine having a step-by-step blueprint that removes all the guesswork, allowing you to kickstart your affiliate journey effortlessly. Say goodbye to the complexities of digital marketing. With DFY Super Affiliate, everything is done for you. This product offers a seamless integration experience, enabling you to promote multiple offers across various platforms without the usual hassle. You'll also receive valuable training and support to ensure you're never left in the dark. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting, this system is tailored to fit your needs and help you scale your affiliate business. Don't miss out on this chance to transform your income potential. Join the ranks of successful super affiliates today with DFY Super Affiliate. DFY Super Affiliate is an amazing tool that is for sure worth investing in. This is a limited time offer and something you do not want to miss out on, so hurry before it is too late.
How about that? I am in Super Affiliate Academy with James and Max. They make great products and keep their customers happy. Click the link below to check it out. Also, please be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for checking out my review today. I'll see you in my next video.